I'm Kathy of KathySingz on Poshmark, and I'm here today to do my first ever unboxing video. I've watched a bunch of them. I'm going to start with Stitchfix, which I've been purchasing from, and I really enjoy. In fact, the necklace and the earrings I'm wearing are from Stitchfix. So the first thing I want to show you, this was open like this when I got it. Okay, so they need to fix that. That's a problem. It's not the first time this has happened. Last time it was actually open on both ends. So this is a problem that they need to fix. Okay, so Stitchfix, fix that. All right, so now I'm gonna show you what's inside. I have my handy dandy box cutter, but I'm just gonna cut the plastic. And I didn't look ahead, so I don't know what's in it, but someone else called this a burrito. Okay, I like that. That's a pretty cool idea, that it's a burrito. Okay, and it comes with a little envelope with the information in it. And I'm going to open it up and see what I've got here. So, I got a pair of jeans. I've told them that I have plenty of jeans I don't need anymore, but they sent me another pair of jeans. Okay, well, I don't know what to do about that. Okay, ooh. Oh, I wanted one of these. Okay, so we got a nice jacket. Okay, this one is Eden Society. Okay, and it's got these snaps up here, snap closure as well as a zipper. And it has like the drawstring on the side here where the waist is. And it's really solid. Feels kind of like, yeah, like it's made for like water or something. So if it's a raincoat, that's awesome. I really need one. Okay. Has a hood. I always like hoods. A lot of stuff doesn't come with a hood. I don't know why. So let's try this on. See what if it fits and what it looks like. Okay, so the drawstrings are a little tight for me right now. Oh, and they already tied them. That's great. So I'll have to fix that because they're tied a little tight for me. So I'll have to fix that later. But I like the zipper. I like the snaps. I like the hood. Ah. So, and I like the color because this is like basic. Has these nice deep pockets so I can put things in there. Let's see, does it have the sneak? Oh, nope. I like the sneaky pockets on the inside where I can like put stuff. I could put it here, but they can see it. Oh, wait a minute. That's a fake zipper pocket. There's no pocket there. That's kind of rude. Okay, I don't know. I like it when I can hide my cell phone inside my jacket, but all right. I still like the jacket. All right, a purple sweater, not my color. Oh, but it's really pretty. I did want this sweater, but I wanted it in white or teal. They sent it in purple. Purple's a good color, just not typically my color. It has these little bell sleeves, so those are nice. See the bell sleeves? This is a very nice quality sweater. It's nice and soft. This is from Hawthorne, so I'll show that. It's a Hawthorne. Okay, so I might keep that for sure. Okay, and what do you know? A purple top too. Is this a crop top? No, it's not. It might be a crop top on someone else, but it isn't on me. The only problem is it's got these wide sleeves. I don't know, I'll have to try it on. But I like my tops, my t-shirts to be really long, but I do like this. This is neat. Oh, it has this little opening in the sleeve, and then this little, I like that. So when I put it on, my shoulder can come out here. Okay, people are sending me emails. Okay, so that's cool. I don't know, I'll try that on, see if I like it. And then, oh, this is my color. This is definitely my color. I like pink, and I really like pink that's salmon. Just keep telling them don't send me dolman. I don't know. Keep sending, oh, maybe this isn't dolman. Okay. All right. Okay. It is not a V-neck. It is a wide, one of those wide necks. I don't know, I have to try it on. Love the color, love the texture and the soft feel. It has this pretty texture. Okay. And then it has, this one is a Market Spruce, which I have kept before. I do like that brand. And I do wear it. So soft. That's one thing I love about what I've gotten from Stitchfix. The texture of everything, it's so soft and it's easy to wear. A lot of stuff that I've bought before, like itches or just scratchy or something, these are always so soft. So, not sure what I'm going to do. The jeans are not really my thing. I have so many pairs of jeans from them. So, I'll have to think about that. But looking, and let's see here. So it comes with this little card in case you didn't know that, and each one. Now the thing is that because I sell on Poshmark, I keep these and I put the amount with them and the tags when I take the tags off, and that way if I ever want to sell it, I have how much it cost originally and I have the tags. I would never sell them new, but it's nice to have that information for anyone who ever buys from me. But just to give you an idea, the top cold shoulder knit top, the purple one here, okay, that one is $34, okay, and the bell sleeve, which is my favorite of everything that they sent me, this one, okay, I actually had one like this in my to buy, is $58, dark purple. And the this one is $58. I have to try that on, but I have a feeling I'm not going to keep it. And the coat, which I absolutely love and I most likely will keep. Oh, not bad at all. This is $78. So for a nice quality coat, jacket for cool, you know, like the fall and spring, $58. I like that. I like that cost. The jeans, which are nice jeans, it's just that I have so many pairs of jeans. These are Liverpool, Los Angeles, Liverpool. Okay, they have some nice stretch to them. I really like the bottom. I really do like that. I don't have any that are like folded and sewn up like this. They're like sewn up, so they will stay folded. I do like that. Anyway, so these are things I like. Half of them I like, half of them are not my thing. The jeans are $88. Yeah, I don't think I'm keeping them. So here's the thing. Whenever I have a shipment where there's only one thing that I would send back, I usually keep it, because just as a little example, I have a discount of 25% when I get everything. If I get everything that's in there, it's 25% off. And so this time, if I got everything, it would be $79 discount, and I would end up paying $237. So if I do that and I have one item that I don't want, I just sell it on Poshmark. And, you know, basically, if I sent it back, I would be losing my money because I sent it back. But that's only if I only have one thing that I wouldn't keep. But in this one, I don't know. I'll have to try them all on. I'll get back to you. I'm back, and I've put on this top, this pink to salmon colored top, the pullover dolman sleeves. I'm not really fond of dolman sleeves, but I really love it. It's so comfortable, and I love 3/4 length sleeves because I tend to get really hot when I'm working, and so 3/4 length sleeves are perfect because when they're long, I just end up pushing them up anyway. So this, I might actually keep this, and then, you know, like if you tuck it into the pants, yeah, I might keep this one. We'll see. We'll see what the rest of them are like. I'm back, and as I believed, I am definitely keeping this purple sweater. Love it, love it, love it. Love the sleeves, nice and sexy. This is a nice collar. I prefer V-neck, but I can live with this. I like where it sits. Perfect for if I want to wear leggings, it's like covering my butt enough. And if I'm wearing jeans, that's fine too. Now, I put these on, the jeans, and not sure if I want to keep them. I definitely don't think I need them. They're pretty, but I definitely don't need them for the price that they are. So I'll probably be sending them back. Let's see if there's anything else I want to keep, and if that's the only thing I want to send back. I'm back, and I stand corrected. I totally want this top. I love the scoop neckline. I don't have any tops like this. I don't have any, and I've always liked that look. I like this look. We can like tuck it in here, and I have this great necklace that would go great with it. So yeah, I'm totally keeping this. Love it, love it, love it. So that leaves just the jeans that I don't need. And so let me just take a look at the numbers here with the jeans. So the jeans cost $88. They're the most expensive thing in there. They're $88. If I kept everything, I saved $79. So basically I'm paying $9 for the jeans. So I know I can sell them and make more than $9 on Poshmark. So I probably will keep everything in here. Thanks to my Stitchfix stylist, who is giving me stuff I didn't say I wanted, but it looks great and I like it. So leave comments if you think differently, if you thought, oh no, I don't think that looks good on you, or maybe you should keep those jeans anyway, or whatever your opinion is, just let me know. Thank you. Bye. Oh, and I should say that if you like those jeans and you want them, they're size 12. Size 12/31, okay? New with tags. You saw I only tried them on that one time. So if I keep them and sell them on Poshmark, you can check out my closet. It's KathySingz, Z at the end instead of an S. KathySingz, okay? Thanks.